good too? It's your boy Social T, man. I'm back here with another video, man. Giving y'all boys a POV, bruh. Just clocked off your boy on the way home, man. So, sup, like and share, bruh. And let's get to this POV, brother. What's good, y'all boys? Back here with the little POV and the Malibu, man. AKA Spider. What you talking about? You feel me? I'm trying to AC down for y'all boys. But yeah, bruh, it been a hot minute since I dropped any damn content, bruh. Well, on YouTube at least. I've been grinding on IG. If you haven't already, you know, go follow me on the ground. You feel me? Same thing at Social_kid_T. You'll find me there. Yes, sir. Your boy been going crazy on the ground for real, bro. I got a video right now sitting at like what, 600K, almost 700K views. Your boy went a little viral. Just a little bit, just a little tad bit. Not too crazy. Just a little tad bit, just a little bit. You feel me? Oh, quick little pull. Give that boys a little 40 roll. Hell yeah. I ain't gonna lie, bro. They car is so much fun to drive, bro. Like, it's not no fast car. Well, nigga, y'all already know that. But it's very enjoyable. I tell you that. I definitely have fun driving this car, bro. I'd be captive if I said I didn't, bro. You feel me? And I got some real stuff to say too as well, bro. Like, bro, be confident in yourself, dog. A little motivation. Just be confident in yourself, bro. Seriously. Confidence will take you a long way, bro. Confidence will take you a long way, bro. Don't be prideful. Be confident. It's a difference. You feel me? And nothing with the car scene, bro. Like, well, a thing with the car scene, I said another. But I gotta stop judging people over their whips, bro. Like, nigga, everybody don't want to go broke trying to afford a car that they can't afford. Like some people do. Some people be acting like they have it and be going broke. You try to live up to that lifestyle, bro. And it's like, don't be doing that. It's not worth it, bro. At all, not at all. You feel me? So whatever you got, bro, be happy with what you got. Build it, make it look nice to your liking, and forget what anybody else has to say, bro. I'll drop some comments down below, bro. I know it's been a minute. Just let me know you here, bro. Just let me know you watching the vid, bro. This road right here got a little more space. Let me try to get y'all towards another pool. Bro, in person it sound way better, and I already know it's because it's a full cylinder, so you know it's not super loud. Yeah, bro, I got a lot of plans for the whip. So far, I got a lip. Gotta show y'all boys that. I got a lot of stuff coming. Just know. If I decided like, bro, let me tighten up and just start throwing some money into this mud to make this mud look better, right? You feel me? So that's exactly what we gonna do, bro. We'll make the Malibu. The plans I have for the fucking Malibu, bro, will be crazy, bro. Spider will be looking. What? Oh, downshift again. Oh. Hell yeah. Can take corners too, bro. Come on. I can take corners too, bro. I got homies in a car group I'm in, bro. Y'all boys gonna meet them at some point. What else? Try to collab. My boy 36J. If y'all know what that is, bro, go search him up on the tube, bro. Fire car content creator, bro. You got this thing, and you gotta keep collabing. I wanna keep making like vids, bro. I gotta stop being lazy, get out, and just go do it, bro. That's what I gotta do, bro. That's what I wanna do. Like Suburban just went crazy, bro. Like they man was dropping hella content, bro. I was like, okay, if he can do it, I can too. Like I know I'm not there where I want to be at, But I don't mean I can't put in the work, you feel me? Like you gotta carry yourself for what you wanna be. Like, bro, you gotta always already feel like you that guy before you even make it for real. So like you think I'm just talking about, bro, I'm spitting real knowledge, real facts, bro. Like for real. I gotta carry myself like that, bro. Have to, bro. Gonna try to get y'all boys another pool. Oh, I see troll. But who give a fuck though? I don't give a fuck. Never gotta catch me. But bro, I got plans, bro. Like I said, I got the lip put on the mud. They made it pop out way more just from doing that. I gotta get the car lowered, buy some wheels. After I get the lower, I got side skirts in. I got to throw them boys on. Jeez, bro. Y'all boys stay tuned. They go start looking. The posters gonna get the, you know, yeah. And I won't even all the way on the gas either. That's crazy ain't about it. Pretty much I came to drop y'all boy, get y'all boys some little content, cause I ain't been posting, give y'all boys a little update too about like what's been going on. Oh, look at Troy, I just see police right here. Y'all can see I'm going about the drive past them right now. I don't know, you will see him. But yeah, bro, give y'all boys another pull before we got out of here, man. So